Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your People plugin from a light version to a Pro version. So, the very first step that you have to do is to go into your license manager and download the very latest version of People plugin. The license manager has been received into the time when you have ordered the plugin, so it is automatically sent to your email address. However, if you have accidentally deleted it, then please don't worry. You have to go to our site and scroll down into your license manager section here, and then you can request it manually. Okay, but if you have still some problems and you do not receive it, then please contact our support team at support@redmineup.com or create a support ticket here. And our support agents are going to send you your license manager where you will be able to download your People Pro version. Okay, in our situation we have already downloaded it. So the next step that you have to do is to go into your core Redmine folder, which in our case is Redmine 5, and then enter the plugins folder. So here please delete the light version of the People plugin. Okay, so you go back to your downloads and extract your Pro zip file. Then enter your folder and copy this one, Redmine People. Then return back to the plugins and paste it there. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do is to open your command line, and I'm going to zoom it a little bit for you. Please make a note that the steps for installation now are the same as a normal installation. So the difference between upgrade and updated plugin is that you have to just remove the old plugin before and then replace it with the new one. Okay, so we go into the core Redmine folder, which in our case is, as we said, Redmine 5. Sorry for that. Okay, so we execute now bundle install. This command is going to install all the required gems for our People plugin. Okay, so the next step is that you have to do the migration. The important thing here is that into the name section you have to set Redmine People. These are just warnings for developers, so the plugin is not going to be harmed. It will work normally. Okay, so our migration has been done, and the last thing that we have to do is to just restart our Redmine with touch temporary restart .txt. Okay, so let's go back to our Redmine and just double check if everything is fine. We refresh our page and wait a couple of seconds for Redmine to be restarted. So we see that our People plugin is now a Pro version. So we have done our job successfully. We have upgraded People from a light to a Pro version. So thank you very much for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye for now.